Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to open up your Google Slides and to insert photos. Okay, so you're going to go into here. You have your 6 slides that you're doing for your presentation. And the first one, it says name and photo of park. So you're first going to want to come in here, type up the name of the national park that you're choosing. Let's say it's Grand Canyon. Okay, so the Grand Canyon. Okay, first you want to make sure that it's centered. This will align it if you want it centered. There you go, boom. Then you're going to need to type your name and your date. Going off of this, put your name and all of that. So, just put my name. Okay, so in your number and date. Now, you don't want just this white background. It's just kind of boring. So you're going to want to go and insert an image. You're going to search from the web, unless you happen to have some actual photos from the Grand Canyon, which you most likely will not. And then you'll just type in here Grand Canyon or whatever it is that you're doing. And just choose any of, you can scroll down here. Any of these would be just marvelous. Of course, the Grand Canyon is most known for its deep, beautiful canyon view. So, ooh, that one's nice. I'm just going to go ahead and put that one. Insert. And then, boom. But now, as you can see, it has covered up my thing. So you can just insert that, and then what you'd want to do is get the corners and shrink it if you wanted to have this here, okay? But for our main title page, we don't want to cover it up. So what we're going to actually do is go to background. We're going to choose an image for the background in this case. Oops, not from there. We're going to do it from Google Image Search. Okay, Grand Canyon. Okay, might not find the same exact one that you're looking for, but just, oh, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and go with that one. Insert. What that will do is put it in the background. Voila. Now, as you can see, your words are kind of hard to read now. So there's ways that you can fix this too. What I like to do is just add a little shade, fill in color. Let's do maybe a sort of a light orangey that's a little too covered up, but that would work fine. You can also make it transparent if you don't like that. You can custom make the color. And so on. What I like about the custom is, let's say I want to go more of an orangey type, but I don't want it to be fully blocked out. So maybe just like less, so I can still kind of see through it. Maybe a little bit more. So anyway, you could kind of play around with that in the custom options. Maybe a little bit more, something like that. Or you could do yellow or some other color. You can even do these letters in, a brighter color, or, white, or whatever you want to try. It's yours. Play around with it, whatever you think. If you don't like something that you did, just go over here to the undo button, and voila. So that is your background image. Okay, that's only for your home page typically. When you go into your informational thing, you'll see down here it has instructions on what you're to include on that particular slide. Photo gallery. Now your photo gallery, that's where you want to just go straight into your image. Upload from the web, like I said, unless you've already uploaded it from home or whatever. So you'll go over here, Grand Canyon. Let's do this skywalk. Ooh, everybody loves that. So what we want to do is insert that. But we don't want this to take up the whole entire page. That is really cool. Look at that. But that's just one of the many things to see here. And one of the things I forgot to tell you guys to put down in there is to it has to be at least 3 photos. So make sure that you're following those directions. Must include 3 to 4 photos. So that's one of them. Now to get rid of this thing, since you're not going to be using that, just click on it and hit delete. It'll disappear. And voila, and then you can just go ahead and insert other ones right in there. Okay, so that's basically it, your interesting facts. Just go in there and just number them. There is a numbering system in case you didn't know. You can go, 1, and it'll just fill that in for you. Or you could click the number 1 too. Again, if you mess up, you don't like something, undo. If you hit undo too many times, you can always hit redo. It will reappear. So, main attractions, those are going to be things that people want to go there for, and you could list them. You could put them in pictures. You could do probably pictures would be like the main things. It's going to be different than your photo gallery here. So if you want to include it in words or photos, totally up to you. But that is your basic tutorial on how to do those. Okay, make sure to include lots of information. You can always change your font size if that's too big. You can shrink it down to have more room for your stuff. You can add in text boxes if you need something else. That's a real quick overview. Okay, I hope you found it helpful. Bye.